Okay, transition checks.
Copy 924.
The altimeter is going to be at 10,000, but we can do everything else.
Caribbean 243, resume navigation to NAVCO.
After Caribbean 243.
Charters are 10,000, lights are on. Passengers are briefed, fuel quantity is good. Landing data you went over, approach you went over, and Barrowmans it's VMC. Transition complete, we're just waiting for altimeters 10,000.
Flight level 120.
Delta 1785, good afternoon. Radar identified, you come to level 260, I'll call you back to the
Flight level 260.
And I see the island. You can see the distinguished, kind of steep little mountain there. Should be a really nice one. Alright, it is a very mountainous island. Probably start slowing down. Or descending quite steeply. Hey.
Airpod 2, contact Lucia approach, 119.8, radar service terminated.
119.8, Airpod 2. Approach, good afternoon, Airpod 2 is 12,000, descending 7,000, doing logo, information golf.
Oscar Delta 2 St. Lucia French today. No delays expected, information golf is current, QNH 1014, runway 10 Union, requesting your estimate for Tibet.
And 1014 estimating 2-bed at 2050, Airpod 2.
For Oscar Delta 2, Roger, let RNAV approach runway 10 by E-Logo Tibet, cross E-Logo at or above 5,200 feet, and report Tibet inbound.
Copy, clear RNAV 10 via E-Logo 2-bed, cross E-Logo at 5,200 or above, and we'll report 2-bed, Airpod 2.
Put 5,200.
Copy.
Airpod 2, Roger.
I'll put it in the FMS.
Alpha, Quebec, keep out.
Yeah, 6 Alpha, Quebec,
You got it.
Alpha, Quebec.
Clear for the approach, 10,000, let's set 2994.
Estimated by 1.
No,
Left and center. 10,000 checks. Belts are on. Our belts are on. APU and blades on the ground. And hydraulics 12 o'clock. That's good.
Company check and report 2 miles out. Alpha, Quebec.
6 Alpha, Quebec, Roger. Break regular 6 Alpha, Mike. Airborne 46, Company Alpha, Quebec.
Alright, tab cost 21. And it might get bouncy in a little bit.
Guinea at 47.
Copy traffic information company helicopter 46 and we report the pin Jimmy to the 6 Alpha Mike.
Yep.
I think I see the airport environment. We'll see.
A la vista, copy.
Where?
One, two. Hey, keep descending because I crossed the logo. You can even go 1,800 because it needs the final approach fix.
You will approach.
We're going to the approach, you can hit the approach if you want.
Approach should be
It's already active, yeah. We just gotta get down.
Alpha, Quebec, 2 miles out.
Jet 6 Alpha, Alpha, Quebec, clear to land, Airpod Alpha. Wind 080 degrees, 20 knots, check we have a vehicle on the runway.
Vehicle check and clear to land, Airpod Alpha, Alpha, Quebec, vehicle side.
Airpod 2 passing to bed inbound.
Airpod 2, roger, report me.
Report mates, Airpod 2.
Lucia, approach 6 Alpha from Mike Bay, Jimmy.
Jet 6 Alpha, Alpha, Mike, roger, contact your South Tower, 118.0.
18.0, Juliet 6 Alpha from Mike.
Not sure what it is, but it looks kind of like a fuel leak. Not sure exactly. You know, it might not be. Oh, sorry. Alright, we're looking good. I see the runway.
Me too. Runway side.
Copy.
Flaps 10.
Flaps coming down 10.
Yeah, like take 10 under the bubble. Yeah, that's fine. AGP, you can put me in the pouch.
Copy. Which is, let me just, what was it, 2,500. To 2,500 set.
Flaps 20, thank you.
Flaps 20. And towers 18.3. Ground is 21.6.
Landing gear down.
Landing gear coming down. Airpod 2 at mates.
Airpod 2, roger, continue.
Continue, Airpod 2. You're down 3 greens.
Okay. Flaps 30.
Flaps full.
Full landing.
Following checks, gear down 3 greens confirmed.
Confirm.
And flaps 30.
Flaps 30.
We're still waiting for landing clearance and for all the lights to be on. That's a really nice place.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Airpod 2, wind 090 degrees, 15 knots, runway 10, clear to land.
10 clear to land, Airpod 2. Okay, clear to land, all lights are on. And Airpod 2, just to confirm, you want us to stay on approach frequency and not switch to tower?
Airpod 2, maintain this frequency.
This frequency, Airpod 2. I guess she's running everything.
Yeah.
Charlie, approach.
Yeah, 6 Alpha Quebec ready to copy.
Alpha Quebec, head up, left.
Yeah, 6 Alpha Quebec ready to copy.
Alpha Quebec, going to untargeted, aiming to fly 2,000 feet. 1 crew, 4 packs, fuel 2 hours, pause 40 minutes, on line to take off whenever, please. Next, turnaround.
Yeah, 6 Alpha Quebec, Roger, stand by for departure, landing traffic.
Alpha Quebec, stand by.
Wind check 110 degrees, 20 knots.
Thank you.
Okay, disconnect autopilot.
Okay.
$500. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay. Nicely done. Spoilers out. Reversers green. Good. You can roll down the runway. That's good. We'll go left on Charlie.
Okay.
80 knots. Okay, that's Bravo. Mike Charles.
Open up.
Airport 2, land at 56, continue on the runway, next taxiway to your left.
Makes the taxiway to the left, Airpod 2.
Airport 2, correct. Vacate via taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.6.
121.6, Charlie, Airpod 2.
Okay, count 2.
Okay. Big deal.
Yes. Yeah, you can run the APU.
Okay. Okay, I see Charlie.
And you can, did you call ground?
No, not yet. Gonna contact.
Okay.
Ground, Airpod 2 at Charlie to the FBO. Ground, Airpod 2 at Charlie to the FBO.
Airport 2, you're on ground, continue. Make a right turn on the small taxiway. You'll be parking in front of the yellow building. Report having your marshals in sight.
We'll turn right to the Marshall yellow building, Airpod 2.
Okay, after landing.
So landing, offside, flaps, lights. Checklist completed.
Thank you.
Is walking, generator online.
Copy that. Alright, see the marshal.
Roger, Ice. I have him in sight also.
Alright, you can turn off the taxi lights.
Right off, please. It looks okay.
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 Okay. Sounds
American 3277, when ready, copy clearance.
American 20 or 3277,
Alright.
ready to copy.
Let's go get something to eat. I'm starving.
Cleared